Hey everyone, welcome to TechTube. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about starting your own YouTube channel. That's awesome. But before you dive in, let me give you some advice to help you start strong and avoid some common pitfalls. We're going to unpack a ton of useful tips in this video, so grab your notepads and let's get started. First things first, you've got to figure out your why. Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Is it to share your love for building custom keyboards, review the latest smartphones, teach people how to code, or maybe just document your journey learning how to cook? Having a clear purpose is like having a roadmap. It'll keep you on track, especially when things get tough, and trust me, they will. It's easy to get caught up in subscriber counts and view numbers, but remembering why you started will fuel your passion and keep those creative juices flowing. So before you even think about hitting that record button, take some time to really define your purpose. Write it down, make it your phone's wallpaper, tattoo it on your arm. Okay, maybe not that far. Just make sure it's something you're truly passionate about. Listen, building a successful YouTube channel takes time. It's not an overnight thing. You're not going to upload one video and suddenly have 1 million subscribers. It's a marathon, not a sprint. In the beginning, it might feel like you're talking to a wall. You might pour your heart and soul into a video and only your mom and your best friend will watch it. Don't let that discourage you. The key is consistency. Post regularly, even if it's just once a week. Engage with your viewers in the comments, reply to messages, build a community around your content. Over time, you'll find your audience and your channel will grow organically. Chapter 3. Challenges, embrace them. Let's be real, content creation is hard work. You're going to run into challenges. Maybe you're staring at a blank screen, completely hit with writer's block. Maybe your camera decides to die on you right before you're about to film. Maybe you watch your video back and realize your editing skills need some serious work. It happens to all of us. The key is to not let these challenges stop you. Don't aim for perfection, especially in the beginning. Your first few videos are probably not going to be your best work, and that's totally fine. Embrace the learning process. Experiment, try new things, figure out what works for you and your audience. The more you create, the better you'll get. It's all part of the journey. Chapter 4. The gear you need to get started. Now let's talk tools. You don't need a crazy expensive studio setup to start creating great content. Here are the basics. First up, a camera. You can start with your smartphone. Modern smartphones shoot amazing video quality these days. As you get more serious, you can invest in a dedicated camera, but it's not essential right out of the gate. Next, audio. Good audio is crucial. People are more forgiving of shaky footage than they are of bad audio. A simple lavalier microphone or a USB microphone will make a world of difference. You'll also need some editing software. There are tons of options out there, from free programs to professional-grade software. Pick one that fits your budget and skill level. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first impression your video makes, so make it count. Use bright colors, bold text, and eye-catching imagery. Chapter 5. Don't forget to have fun. At the end of the day, remember to enjoy the process. Starting a YouTube channel should be fun. If you're not enjoying it, it will show in your videos. Don't get too caught up in the numbers, especially in the beginning. Focus on creating content that you're passionate about, content that you would want to watch. Be patient, learn from your mistakes, and keep putting yourself out there. You've got this. Outro. Go create. So what are you waiting for? Start creating and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You've got this. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of passion. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be incredible. I can't wait to see what you create. And hey, once you've uploaded your first video, drop a link in the comments below. I'd love to check it out.